Oh, I love this one. So look here, look at it there. I got a framing hammer. I could tell by my pecker tracks right here. But look at that. I guess what we decided to do is just beat the crap out of this door to make sure that it fits or something. I don't know. But my stars, if you're that poor of a carpenter and you're swinging a hammer and you keep missing like that, why do I got at least 3 marks? I mean, really? Next time, I hope it's your thumb. Leave my doors alone. Look at that. And then they cocked the crap out of it up here as they put this new strike plate in here. But at least, I don't know why we didn't put some putty over that. I guess they think that that's part of the ambiance, the pecker tracks on my door. There you are, pecker tracks. And it was a beautiful door. I don't know. It's what you get. All right, let's go on here to the next door here. Now, I did a disability inspection on this one here. And as you can see, missing my deadbolt. I guess that's where we put the mail. I don't know. The old houses used to have the door mail slots in it, but not here. We just, maybe it's the peephole. I don't even know, but how could you honestly think that you're done? Huh? I mean, look, there's the hoe. You can't see that? Yeah, there's a lot more people don't see, and you're going to see it in a minute here. But yep, there it is, guys. I just don't need that stinking deadbolt. We just put that would call it a mail slot or a peephole. So I wonder how much cold air and rain gets through there, huh? Yeah. All right, here we go. The next one. See right here, we put the deadbolt in. This guy here, he's smart, man. He's working on it. He's got it done. He's got his deadbolt put in. But what did he forget to do? He literally forgot to put the plunger into it so as that it literally locks. So now when he puts his deadbolt in there, it don't do anything. It just literally just does nothing. I guess it's very smooth working, huh? Why do I have to find this on a building inspection? I mean, the carpenter didn't know any better? Probably not. Yeah, but yeah, no plunger right there. Look at that. Yeah. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. All right. So what we're going on the next one, I love this one here. Let's do this one here. And, here we go. I'm having a little bit of trouble. The carpenter had a little bit of trouble making this locking mechanism. Apparently, he had the plunger on this one installed, but he couldn't get it to fit. So what did he do? He just loosened it up and he scooted it over. He just scooted it over to make it fit. Really? Yeah, really. That's it. And so no air, nothing, no rain, nothing gets into that door. It's all solid. I was flabbergasted, but you would think, okay, that's only a once in a while you'd see that. Well, I would have hoped so. Bang, ting, bang. There you go, another deadbolt. And look at that. We just had to readjust it to fit. We didn't have to readjust our strike plate or anything. We just readjust our deadbolt and drop it down here and then have this opening here again. And there it is. Isn't that pretty? And they call it done. They call it done. Somebody's done. That bank of bacon brain done. I think maybe that meth head that was doing that other stuff over there that we was looking at with that aluminum foil for insulation. Maybe he put them doors in. I don't know. All I know is I'd like to have that guy's name because I don't think I want him on my home. So let's just keep on going because we got even more genius happening, and I just love it here. Here's some more genius. All right, now. Just real quick, what do you see wrong with this picture? Just look real quick. Look at the doorknobs. Look at the handle set. Now you say, and they're 2 different colors. I'm all right with that. It's a garage, but think about this. Look real good. See that? My deadbolt right here. Well, first let's look right here. That's all fine. That looks good. My deadbolt. But see, I got my little knob right here for my lock, like you're supposed to have. But look right here. There's my deadbolt. Now, you think that, okay, it's just a keyed deadbolt on in and out, which is actually not code, so you're not supposed to have it keyed in and out. But literally, they have that turned around. So I can lock the door from the inside with the key and then use on the outside, use the knob to open it up. Really? Are you serious? You think that, what's somebody going to do? Lock you in your own home? Maybe some people do deserve. Maybe that carpenter need to be locked in his house so he wouldn't come out here to do any more damage. But actually, I wrote it up, and the real estate agent. I think the real estate agent must have had tears in his eyes from crying so hard from laughing. It was just that stupid. But here's the next one. I think you'll like this one here too. So, hey, hon, I'm all done. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with these extra parts. No kidding. Extra parts. I found extra parts by the door. And the door was, he just left it half done. And there's the parts. I guess he figures that's good enough. So there it is. Extra parts. Extra parts. You don't have extra parts with your doors, folks. If you got extra parts, I think you need to go back and look at the instructions and do it again.